Welcome back. Today's DIY is special. We got to do some project on the plane. Look, I'm editing another episode of Fix Hack DIY while watching movies. Sometimes in the plane I'll like to also watch my own movies or videos from streaming websites which I downloaded. But you see, it's kinda uncomfortable because I don't have a phone holder. We're gonna do that next. First, let's enjoy the view. I did this DIY when I was flying back from Hanoi to KL. Look, but this video is not sponsored by Malindo Air. Alright then, 25 minutes later we are at cruising altitude and the captain said the seatbelt sign is off and you can use your mobile phone if it's on flight mode. Alright, then you see this is a problem that everyone will face. It's kind of tiring to just hold the phone and it keep on dropping if you don't have a surface for it to send. This is a standard paper cup given to you by air stewardess. Yep. So tear along this line. Okay. The degree of the slopiness in the line is quite important. Okay, because this is where your phone is going to be resting. Okay, we can try it with a 60 degrees slant first. Okay. Fold back this piece and we are already almost done. Okay, just tidy up the side like this. Okay, yep, and there, make sure that the latch in front is enough to hold the phone like this, and now you have a very comfortable viewing angle. Okay, there, you can enjoy my TED Talk video now. Alright, let me show you around what it looks like at the back of the cup. Right there, just make sure that the phone is sitting comfortably and securely on the cup and make sure that it's balanced, right? Yeah. So if you want the phone to slant a little bit more to the back, just give it a little bit more degree when you fold the side of the cup. Yep, that's done. Let me continue my video. Alright, to continue to follow us on Fix Hack DIY and subscribe. Stay tuned to the next video. Bye!